Here I've got iPhone 11 and let me show you how to delete application on the following device. So at first you have to open your home screen and select the application that you would like to delete. So let me pick, for example, Booking.com. Now tap on it and hold it for a while. And once you see such notification, select Rearrange Apps. And now simply by tapping on the cross icon over here, you can delete this application. Just confirm that you would like to delete this app with all its data by tapping on delete. And that's it. As you can see now, it disappeared and it's no longer on your device. Once it's done, simply click on done over here and you can go back to the normal usage of your phone. So that's basically all. This is how you can quickly and easily delete application in iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.